Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
Which of the following is an auto e-commerce transaction? A. An automobile manufacturer sells 10,000 pickup trucks to a dealer on a B2B website. B. Andrew sells a set of 7 books on inventory management to Austin on eBay. C. Jezmyn books a hotel room in California for 3 days in the last week of December on Airbnb.com. D. Sophia hires a neighborhood plumber to fix a leaking faucet and pays him after the repairs are complete. And the answer to the question is the transaction described in option D, where Sophia hires a neighborhood plumber to fix a leaking faucet and pays him after the repairs are complete, is a non-e-commerce transaction. E-commerce typically involves the buying and selling of goods or services over the internet, while the transaction in option T involve a traditional offline payment for services rendered.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.